It's giving scalp. It's giving scalp. I love it.
Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze.
Hi guys, here's the wig right here. I haven't seen the wig yet. You guys are seeing this wig with me for the first time also. So I'm really excited to see what Luvmehair sent me because their wigs are always good. You guys know I do a bunch of Luvmehair reviews. I will show you guys the wig out of the box. This is it right here. It's already styled from what I can see, and it's nicely insulated so that it can keep the shape while it's doing the shipping. And wow, so this is it right here, you guys. What I love is that it's so lightweight. Okay, so this is it. This is the wig. It's beautiful. The curls are absolutely beautiful, okay? And look at this lace, you guys. Like, you can literally kind of see me. Like, it's really thin of a lace, which I really, really love. So yeah, when I do this, you can see that it's definitely HD lace. Right here. You can tell. There you go. You can tell that it's completely HD, which I really love. And from the part of it, so basically this is the middle right here, and you can tell that the part is meant to be like a side part, so that's how I'll be wearing it. It has the Luvmehair tag on it. It says "Love me for you." So what I like is that there are no clips, okay? There are no like hooks on the side, which usually takes out girls' edges, which is not good, but you don't need it to restrain anything. Why? Because there are hooks, you guys. This technology, there are hooks. There are 3 hooks, 1, 2, 3, and you can make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. So if you have a bigger head, you can make it just like right here, or if you have a super big head, which is fine because we're all beautiful, you cannot even do it at all. But anyways, I like my wig super snug because I'm not going to be wearing any type of glue with it. I'm going to do just a glueless install. And what I'm going to do in order for this lace to really match me, take my flat brush and my bronzer, my Fenty bronzer, and mine is in the color Espresso, by the way. And I'm just going to, you guys, you can tell I've had this for years, but I'll replace it soon. Anyways, I just put some of that bronzer on there, and then I'm gonna put it over here, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Don't put too much. You don't want to put too much. And also, I just put my bronzer because my forehead's darker than my actual face, but you can go ahead and use whatever it is that you want. So I'm just putting a little bit, and I may have to adjust, but that's fine. And then I'm going to put it on my head, but I can already tell that I will want to cut a little bit more of the lace, but let me just show you guys how it looks. Okay, so I just put it on my head, and oh, I love Luvmehair, you guys. They're always providing the best quality hair, and I'm not just saying that, like, seriously, in real life. Okay, so oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, you guys. And I just put it on. By the way, there's no glue. No glue. Listen, I have no words. I am so cute right now. Okay, anyways. All right, so automatically you can see right here that it's such good quality lace. I'm just gonna cut a little tiny bit. You don't have to cut it. Like, seriously, this is like a put it on and go. I didn't have to style it. I'm not even gonna wet it, okay? Because I love this. The curls are so nice and fluffy, and what I really like about it, it's very lightweight, right? So anyways, so it's not a frontal, it's a closure, right? So the lace is not going all the way here, But what I like to do in order for it to look like a frontal, and you guys, it takes 2 seconds, just 2 seconds. What I do is I'll take a little bit of this, right? Just a little bit of hair, and then I took it under my ear. And automatically, like, it's giving, you know what I mean? It's giving. No, I'm feeling myself, as you guys can tell. I'm loving this hair. Luvmehair is always giving some good wigs. And I want you guys to focus on the color of the hair. It's not black with blondish, it's like a dark brown with blonde. So it really blends in nicely together. I wish that the lighting would like cooperate with me. Let me just put it a little bit brighter. I think that will help. All right, perfect. So this is the hair, you guys. Like I said, let me just cut a little bit more lace, just so that it's like, you know, just blending in just a little bit, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I cut a little bit of the lace, and now I'm just gonna put it on. Ooh, my chest hurts. And that's it. That's it, y'all. Look at this. Like, unmatched. And remember, I do my trick. I put this under here. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side too. But yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I'm in love, and I recommend Luvmehair to all my friends, and I will keep recommending them because, you guys, this look is just absolutely beautiful. This wig is amazing. It's good quality. It has not shed yet, and I have been like playing around with it while I was cutting it, and it has not shed. So I'm really excited about this. Let me actually do my test where I put it. I like to kind of test it out on camera to see how it looks, and you guys, look, it's giving scalp. It's giving scalp. I love it. Yeah, so this is gonna be my new look for now. As I was playing with it, it got a little bit frizzy, and that's completely fine. That's natural with curly hair. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a little bit of mousse on it. But if you like the frizzy look, which I love the frizzy look, but I'm just doing this for the purpose of people who don't like the frizzy look, I just took some mousse. This is my olive oil mousse. And then I'm just gonna put just a little bit wherever I got frizzy. Just a little bit of that. Because curls and mousse go hand in hand together. And yeah, there you go. There. All right, guys, this is the final look. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and go get yourself some. In the description box, there will be the link to this wig. Remember, it's completely glueless. I am in love with it. It's giving, and it's nice and snug. Remember, there's the hook at the back. You can adjust it to however you want. And yeah, I'm just feeling myself. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. See you soon.